Understand? What is that? What is the head?
Plasma membrane.
Plasma membrane. Do you understand? So the first part of the cell is called as cell membrane, or I can call it as what? Plasma membrane. So as we know that, what is the use of the cell membrane? Anybody? We have studied so many things in last class. Cell membrane is present where it is the outermost layer of the cell, which has been understand, it has been covered by all the nucleus, chloroplast, everything inside. What is that? Inside everything it contains. Correct or not? Yes or no? So if you'll observe here, it is like a skin. It is which we can say that a thin sheet of skin, which we used to call as cell membrane, which is present outside the cell, and which is covered by so many things inside, like cytoplasm and the nucleus. Everything they are being enclosed with this cell membrane. Correct or not? Yes or no? Enclosed with this cell membrane. So these cell membranes encloses all the living parts of the cell, which we used to call it as what? These all been covered by a living part of the cell, which we used to call it as what? Protoplasm. Have you remembered, Johan? Living understand cell membrane, which we used to call it as what? Protoplasm. Yes or no? So the cell membrane controls understanding, and it will give the shape of the cells, and it also contains a tiny pores on it, which will controls the movement of substances into the cell and out of the cell. Is it yes or no? If you are not responding, what I will say, you have not written the notes. Last class I have taught you day before yesterday. What is this?
Yes, sir. I have written.
Yeah. Next, you can check it and you can say me, Garat, why you are not responding me then? So they will control. It is having a tiny pores on its understanding. And through this tiny pores, it will controls the movement of substances. Correct or not? So movement of oxygen and the dissolved digested food into the cell, and carbon dioxide out from the cell, which has been exchanged by this cell wall only. Correct or not? Sorry, cell membrane, or we can say that plasma membrane. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, and as we know that this cell membrane is also one of the living part of the cell, which has been covered, understanding, which has been covered, which has been making the, like what we can say, separate the cell, one cell from another cell from the surrounding medium. Is it yes or no? Yes, Ruti? Johan?
Yes, sir.
So that is
Yes, sir.
cell membrane or plasma membrane, which were discussed in the last class. Now, let us come to the cytoplasm, the second part of the cell, the parts of cell. Johan, call to Reddy. Reddy may be waiting for link. Cytoplasm. What is the second one? Cytoplasm. Please note it down. Tell him to join.
Yes, sir.
Cytoplasm. What is the second part, Shruti? Cytoplasm. So now, cytoplasm. Can you able to say, Shruti, what is the meaning of cytoplasm? Please let me know. What is cytoplasm? So inside the cell, we are seeing some jelly-like substance. Correct or not? For example, I will show you the picture and I will explain. So inside, some transparent and jelly-like substance is present. That is what we should call. What we should call?
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. That is what you have to understand. I will show you the picture. You just wait. So, is it ready, joined? Okay. Now, you just wait. Ready? Are you there? Ready? Yes. So now, all of you observe this picture carefully, and you can understand what is this cytoplasm and all. So very nicely. So what is this cytoplasm? Means in the sense of which has been present Like inside the cell membrane means we have seen the outer structure, correct or not? So the outer structure is called as what? What is this outer structure called as? What is that outer structure called as? Cell membrane or
Cell
we should
membrane.
plasma membrane. What we should call? Plasma membrane. This is what we should call as plasma membrane or cell membrane. Now, inside this cell membrane, all of you observe, we have some kind of a black dot structures. Have you noticed these black dot structures? Yes or no? So this black dot structures is only called as a transparent jelly-like substance. What is that? Transparent jelly-like structure. Jelly-like structure is only called as what we should call cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
All of you have to remember that is only known as what? Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
All of you. So what is the meaning of cytoplasm means? All of you remember. Cytoplasm is a transparent jelly-like material. What is that? It is the transparent jelly-like material which is present inside where it is present, which will fills the cell between nucleus and cell membrane, which is fills between where? Between nucleus and cell membrane. So this is called as nucleus. We will study next what is nucleus. So this is what nucleus and this is called as cell membrane. So middle
The brain of the
filled
cell.
with water. This gap is filled with what? Called as jelly-like substance, transparent jelly-like substance. That is what we should call as what? Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm.
Understanding, Ra? That is what the definition of
Yes,
cytoplasm.
sir.
Please note it down. Cytoplasm. What is the definition? Definition. Right.
Cytoplasm
Cytoplasm is a transparent. Cytoplasm is a transparent. Cytoplasm is a transparent jelly-like substance. Jelly-like substance. Ready? Understand? Ready? Jelly-like substance.
Yes, sir.
Which fills the cell. Which fills the cell between where, Shruti?
Between nucleus.
Between where? Between
Nucleus.
nucleus and which fills
And
the
the cell membrane.
substance which fills the cell between
Nucleus and the cell membrane.
between
Nucleus
and cell
cell
membrane.
membrane.
Do you understand?
Sir,
Ready?
what is cytoskeleton, sir?
Huh?
Cytoskeleton.
That is there.
Sir, not in our book, sir.
Oh, when it will come, I will say if it is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Cytoskeleton.
Yes, sir.
I don't think so, Javan. I have not listened also. What they have said? Any explain?
Sir, in my sister's book, I saw that, sir. The elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous.
Okay. Some kind of, I think you may heard like in the sense of which is made up of like a network of protein filaments. That is only. Is it yes?
Yes, sir.
What about drag force, no, sir?
Yeah, understood. Yeah. Now I have got it. Now you said correct. Okay, understood. Like we can say that like you know solid home like a spider web.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what we can say cytoskeleton, which will help the cell
Okay, sir.
to maintain their shape and the internal organization, like a mechanical
Okay, sir.
support. Understand? So, which is made up of proteins. Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton means is made up of. Tell me.
Sir, I have asked in WhatsApp about drag force, no, sir.
Forget. I will see you at last today. Okay, Smriti. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So the cytoskeleton is a network of interlinking protein filaments, Ra, which will give the support. Cytoskeleton which will give support. Okay, Ra?
Okay, sir.
Mechanical support to the cell. Mechanical support to the cell. Your sister is studying in NEET, Ra?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, then it will come. +1 it will come. Cell
+2, sir.
+1 +2 everything will come. So mechanical support to the cell, and it is made up of protein filaments. You can write it. Made up of what?
Protein.
Made up of protein filaments.
Protein.
Is it okay, Johan?
Filament.
That is. So
Okay,
now,
sir.
cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? It is a transparent substance which looks like a jelly substance which will fill between where? Between the cell, which will fill the cell between nucleus and
Cell membrane.
is it yes or no? Nucleus and cell membrane. So what is why it is present? What is the use of this? That is all discussed now. So remember all of you, the cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance which we can say that it is a kind of chemical factory of the cell. What we can say? It is a kind of. It is a what?
Chemical factory.
Cytoplasm is a chemical factory of the cell. By this time, you can understand what is the meaning of chemical factory. Chemical factory of the cell. I can say cytoplasm is the chemical factory of the cell. Why I am calling chemical factory? Any idea? Johan, ready? Because
Digestion.
I will say what we can say chemical factory. Johan, what do you mean by chemical factory? How you can say chemical factory? If it is producing
Sir,
new,
hydrochloric acid. Yes.
not man, hydrochloric acid. Not. What is chemical industry or else chemical factory? Which is manufacturing or developing new things. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same way, I can say the cytoplasm is also a chemical factory of cell, means in the sense of all the new substances are built from materials taken into the cell and energy is released and stored. That is why I can say chemical factory of the cell is known as cytoplasm. Do you understand, Ra? So whatever the substances are built in this new substances means energy will release, correct or not? Yes or no? So that new substances, whatever they were built from the like materials which is taken into the cell, like oxygen and the digested food, and their energy will be released, correct or not? And it will be stored. So with the help of this cytoplasm only. That is why we can say the cytoplasm is a what? Chemical factory of the cell. Do you understand, Ra? So most of the chemical reactions which keep the cell alive takes place in this cytoplasm only. If the cell is alive, then always some chemical reaction should be takes place like respiration and all. So these reactions has been carried out in where? Inside in the place of cytoplasm.
Cell membrane.
Understand?
Tiny pores.
Yes. So the cytoplasm of a cell has many tiny structures in it. That structures, the tiny structures of the cell, we have one name called as. What is that, Johan? Tiny structures of a cell called as.
Sir, organelles.
Cytoplasm, yes. Inside the cytoplasm, so many understanding internal small tiny structures are present. They are only called as what? Organelles. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
That is what you have to remember. So cytoplasm is known as chemical factory of the cell. Why? They will ask you the question. Why we should call cytoplasm is a chemical factory of the cell? Why? Because new substances are built, right? Yeah, new substances are built from materials. New substances built from materials. What materials are? Materials taken in or taken out? Taken into the cell. Understanding? Taken materials taken into the cell. What is that, Johan? Shruti? Oxygen, comma, digested.
Carbon dioxide.
Hey, oxygen, comma, food taken in.
Oh, sorry, sir. Food.
Taken in into the cell, comma, and energy is released and stored. Taken into the cell, comma, energy is released. Energy is released and stored. Do you understand, Ira? So that is why we
Yes, sir. Can you scroll up, sir?
yeah.
One
that is
second.
why we can say what? The cytoplasm is a what, Shruti? So we can say, cytoplasm is known as what? Is known as
Chemical factory.
chemical factory. Chemical factory of what? Of cell. That is what you have. Okay. Now, this cytoplasm is a transparent substance, so that you can observe inside so many small, tiny structures we can observe. That is what we should call organelles. What we should call organelles.
Organelles.
So now, all of you look into the picture and tell me what kind of organelles are you observing in this picture? As we know that outer membrane is called as cell membrane, and inside everything is filled with what? A transparent jelly-like substance, which we used to call as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, most prominent one. Prominent means you may understand the meaning in natural, that is conservation of plants and animals.
It's a small.
Prominent one, most important one.
Simple, basic.
So what is the most important organelle which you are able to observe in this cytoplasm? That is only called as what? What is the most important organelle? Most important organelle. I am asking most.
Nucleus.
Nucleus. Do you understand, Shruti?
Nucleus, sir.
Do you understand or not? And nucleus also it is covered with outer membrane. That is called as what? Nuclear membrane. What we should call? Nuclear membrane. And also contains
Nuclear membrane.
vacuoles, and also contains what? Mitochondria. Do you understand, Ingra? So everything it contains inside the cytoplasm. So these are called as what? This nucleus, mitochondria, and vacuoles are called as what? Organelles. What we should call? Organelles. And in these organelles, and even if you take a plant leaves contains big vacuoles also, correct or not? But here it is not. So only present. Yes, this is all called as organelles, which all are present in where? Inside the cytoplasm. That is what you have to remember. All of you right. The tiny structures present inside the cytoplasm is known as what already? Known as organelles, right? The various structures present in the cytoplasm, ready, are you writing? Structures present in cytoplasm is known as what we should call is known as organelles. Understanding is known as organelles. That is. So in that, what is the most prominent organelle, Shruti? Most prominent organelle in the cytoplasm is nucleus. What we should call? Nucleus. What we should call? Nobody is saying. Nucleus. Most prominent. What is the meaning of prominent? Basic not. Main important one. The most prominent organelle in cytoplasm is what? Nucleus. Do you understand? Nucleus. Along with the nucleus, and also it contains what? Mitochondria. What is that? Mitochondria. And what you have seen? Mitochondria, vacuoles. Next, what? You tell me what you have studied. Already have studied, correct? What is the other things?
Yes, sir. Mitochondria, vacuole, then chloroplast.
Huh? Chloroplast is present in only animals or plants? Plants. Correct or not? That is?
Yes, sir. Then Golgi apparatus.
Yeah. What? Very good. What
Golgi
is that?
apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum.
What is that? Big.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Yeah, small vacuoles. Next one.
Sir, Golgi apparatus.
Right. Very good, Johan. Right. It also contains what?
Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus.
Yeah. Golgi bodies, mitochondria, vacuoles, Golgi bodies. Main thing, ribosomes. Have you forgot?
No, sir. Ribosome. Yes, sir. Ribosome.
You may not study this. Ribosomes and Golgi bodies will study in higher classes. Class 7th, class 8th level, you don't have them. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
That is. Golgi bodies and ribosomes, etc., etc. So these cytoplasm, if you take cytoplasm of the plant cells, also contains inside what? So only plant cells contains, understanding, cytoplasm is not present by what? Animal cells. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Cytoplasm is
Yes,
present
sir.
only in
Plant cells.
plants. So this cytoplasm is only called as what? Hundreds of some cells is combined. That is what we should call as cytoplasm, which we'll study in class 7th. So what is that?
Sir, chloroplast.
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll, sir.
Understanding?
Chlorophyll.
So, hundreds of chlorophyll has been present in every leaf. That is only we used to call it as what?
Chlorophyll.
Cytoplasm.
Chlorophyll means which color, green color,
Yes, yes.
green pigment.
So this understand, remember. So this chloroplast, not this cytoplasm, also contains only in plants. They contains chloroplast. What they contains? Chloroplast inside the cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm, what it will contain? This chloroplast. This chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Understanding? Only it is present in which cells, Ra? Only present in
Plant cells.
animal cells does not contain. Correct or not? That is also you have to remember it. Understand all of you? So this
Chloroplast is a plastic, sir.
yes, cytoplasm of plant cells also contain this chloroplast. This chloroplast only contains what? Chlorophyll. Understand, Ra? And
Yes, sir.
And leucoplast and chromoplast also only present in plant cells, sir.
yes,
Sir,
yes.
leucoplast stores protein.
Now here I will use one more word. Have you heard a word called as protoplasm? Protoplasm. Please
Yes,
help.
sir, protoplasm.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of protoplasm? What is the most
Protoplasm.
what we are discussing now? Can you able to say what we are discussing now?
Cytoplasm.
Protoplasm, sir.
Correct or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So we are discussing
sir.
about cytoplasm now. What is the most prominent organelle?
Nucleus.
Nucleus. Correct or not? So if we'll call these two together, if
Yes,
we'll
sir.
together, if we'll combine them, means like together you can take them, together you can make up, then that is only called as protoplasm. What we should call?
Protoplasm.
Protoplasm.
Note it down. Very important. Cytoplasm plus nucleus. Together you can make up. Then what will happen? Make up the protoplasm. Do you understand? That is also you should note it down.
Cytoplasm and nucleus like merged together to form
Together.
protoplasm.
Yeah, cytoplasm and nucleus taken together to make up what? Make up
Protoplasm.
plasm. So this is all about cytoplasm. So cytoplasm means what we can say. First point, cytoplasm is a what?
Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure which is transparent.
Substance which is present in the cell,
Between nucleus and cell membrane.
nucleus and the cell.
Cell membrane.
It contains
Cytoplasm is
organelles, and this is called as chemical factory of the cell because all the
build new
reactions will be carried out inside the cytoplasm, and which has been entering into the cell. They will release the energy and the food. Understand whatever it is, the released energy will be stored inside the cytoplasm, and exchange of gases. Everything will be takes place here. That is why we can say cytoplasm is a water. Chemical factory.
The chemical factory of cell.
So it contains a small structures which we used to call as organelles. So these organelles, like it contains nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi, understanding Golgi structures, etc., etc. And only plant cells may contains, understanding plant cells only they contains few extra cells like big vacuoles, cytoplasm. What is that called as? Chloroplast.
Plastic.
Means in the sense of which contains chlorophyll. This is all present only in the plant cells. Correct or not? So this is all about cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm plus the most prominent organelle nucleus, if we combine together, which we should call what we should call protoplasm. Do you understand? Protoplasm. So this is all about our cytoplasm, which is present between where? Between the nucleus, between the nucleus and the cell membrane. That is, and inside Johan said something. Next one, cytoskeletons. What is that? Cytoskeleton. Understand it? Skeletons. So this cytoskeleton, which is present here only, which will give the mechanical support to the cell. What is that? Mechanical support to the cell, which is made up of what? Made up of protein. Understanding? Protein linkings. You understand, Ra? Protein linkings. That is called as cytoskeleton. So this is all about the cytoplasm of our animal cells and plant cells, which is present the next important one. So regarding cytoplasm, you have to write this many points. Do you understanding, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the cytoplasm. Next, we are going to study the next part of cell is only called as, what is the main prominent organelle?
Nucleus.
Nucleus. That is what we are going
Sir,
to.
it is
The
the
thought
brain of the cell and it's the large part in the cell, sir.
nucleus we used to call as. So nucleus is located where? At the middle of the
Sir, it's
The middle of the cell.
understanding. Nucleus is a very large and spherical organelle present in the all the cells.
Middle of-
You understanding, all of you? Is it present in all the
known as the brain of the cell. Brain of the cell.
everywhere? Understanding. So every cell contains this nucleus, which is present in which shape? Spherical shape. Understanding? Which is present, which is called as, which is present in a spherical shape. A nucleus is a largest organelle of
And
the
nucleus is covered by a nuclear membrane.
Nucleus is a large spherical organelle present in all the cells. Nucleus is a large,
Spherical organelle.
large spherical. Understand? Spherical organelle, not the cell. It is what? Organelle. Present in everywhere. Present in all the cells. Present in what? Present in all the cells.
All cells.
Understanding? So without nucleus, no cell will be existed. Nucleus is compulsory for the every living cell. So that is what you have to remember. So you have to remember, this is all about the nucleus. Okay, we'll continue the nucleus from here. Now today Shruti is having some doubt. I will explain the doubts for Shruti. Later we can end this. Shruti, you are asking something from long days. You tell me what you want.